Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue our fourth chapter, the order of adjectives. And in this chapter, I have taught you that what is adjective and the kinds of adjective. I think that after knowing the definition of adjective and the kinds of adjectives, you will not feel any problem to arrange the different kinds of adjective at their proper places. So at first we are going to know the how can we place the adjective at their proper places. First of all, we have to know that when two or more adjectives are used before a noun, you know the what is noun? Noun is naming word, and before the naming word, when two or more adjectives are used, then we have to arrange according to this rule. In my first class, I have also taught that first you have to choose the quality of adjective and after that the color of adjectives. That means you have to follow the rule of QC. QC, that means quality and color. Second, that is the size material. That means SM. That means if in a sentence you are finding that there is the adjective of size and adjective of material, both are in one sentence, then you have to place at first adjective of size and after that adjective of materials. That means you have to follow the rules of SM. Now we are going to know about the third one is that whenever in a sentence there is size, shape and color, then you have to follow the rule of SSC. You are looking SSC. So at first you have to place after, before a noun, there is the different kinds of adjective. First you have to place the size, adjective of size, and after that adjective of shape, and after that adjective of color. And now we are going to know our fourth one, and fourth one is that if in a sentence there is opinion and color, both are in one sentence, then we have to place the adjective of opinion and after that adjective of color, that means OC. You have to follow the rules of OC. I think that by knowing this rule, by applying this rule, by implementing this rule, you will not feel any problem to place the different kinds of adjective, different types of adjective in one sentence. Now we are going to know the next rules. That means next rule is what? If in a sentence there are two adjectives, when two adjectives are used to describe something that has two different colors or two materials, we used and to connect them. That means if in a sentence there is two different colors or two materials in one sentence, then we use and to connect them. By the example, I think you can better understand. Here is a black and yellow shirt. You are looking a black and yellow shirt. So and is connected to black and yellow, both are color. So we have connected this by using and. Now next one is that when we use more than two singular adjectives to express an opinion or a quality, then we use commas to separate them. Okay, in previous rules you have learned that two different colors or materials, and in this sentence you are that when two singular adjectives express an opinion or a quality, then we use commas to separate them. Okay, so commas to separate them. By example, you are looking a kind, a gentle, man, a kind gentleman. So by these examples, I hope that you have better understand and you will not find any problem to understand them. After that, we are going to know the exercise. In exercise A, page number 28. You are looking, choose the correct order of adjectives. Choose correct order of adjectives. In first sentence, you are looking, a Argo returned home in a dash shirt. That is your. And option is that a clean new blue, blue clean new, new blue clean. So at first, what you have to use? Quality. And after that, color. First you have to use here clean, and after that you have to use new and blue. Okay, that means opinion, quantity and color you have to use here. That means option A is your answer. Now you have to use second. In second sentence you are looking, second sentence is that we can use dash cups to make telephone model. We can use dash cups to make telephone model. So at first what you have to write? Shape, and after that color, and then material. Shape, color and material. So you have to choose the option number B, that is a small, white and plastic. So by following these rules you can do exercise A. And third sentence is the children gave the little boy a dash puzzle box as a parting gift. So at first what you have to use? That is shape. Okay, and after that size, and after that material. So SCM, you have to use the rule SCM. So by this example you can do all questions. Okay, I think that you will not feel any problem. And after that we are going to do the next exercise, that is rewrite these sentences. In this exercise, placing the adjectives in correct order. So all questions is related to place the adjective at their proper places. First sentence you are looking, I bought a cotton white beautiful kurta. Okay, I bought a cotton white beautiful kurta. So at first what you have to write? That is the quality. And after that you have to choose color, and after that you have to choose material. That means I have bought a beautiful white cotton kurta. Okay, that is answer. So I have taught you in previous that first you have to choose the quality. In second sentence you are looking, the reserved forest is full of circular brown large rock. So in this sentence you have to also choose the at first the shape, and after that the size, and after that the color. That means first the reserved forest is full. The reserved forest is full of large brown circular rocks. Okay, large brown circular rocks. So by this example you can do other questions, other sentences you can place in at their proper places. So I think that now you have better understand by these exercises and by this example, and you can do other exercises, other questions of this exercise. Thank you very much for today.